Well, hello everyone. This is fourth grade Excel lesson 109. We're going to be dividing dollars by dollars, money by money. Take a look at, let's get this color going here. Take a look at the beginning up here where it says Gina. Gina has $30 and she would like it to be in $5 bills. How many $5 bills will she have? So what I'm doing is I'm taking this $30 and splitting it up into $5 bills. How many $5 bills would it take? Well, that's a division problem because when we split something up into even groups, it's division. So $30 divided by $5 is equal to 6. You would have 6 $5 bills in $30. Let's check it using multiplication. $5 times 6 is, of course, $30 because 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Bam! Easy. How about $6 split into $2 groups? The answer would be 3. Notice that the first answer is the whole number. Would the answer make any sense if you put a dollar on the answer? $5 split into $2 parts is $3? That doesn't make any sense. You're having 3 groups of $2. So you got to, this is a dollar, and this is a dollar. That's one group right there, see? And then I'll go over here. Here's another dollar and another dollar. Those are some pretty ugly dollars. There's a second group. It's not $2. I mean, it is $2, but this is not this, it's so hard to even say, is not $2. It's 2 groups. You see, and then here's another group over here. There's a dollar and there's a dollar. There's a third group. So we have 3 groups of $2 in each group that makes $6. And that's what they show you right here. 3 times $2 is $6. Okay, check each division problem with the multiplication. $8 divided by $1, of course, is 8. It would take 8 $1 groups to make $8. And $1 times 8 equals $8. The only thing hard about this is knowing that you don't use a dollar sign for the answer. Here's $8 divided by $2. How many $2 are there in $8? Well, the answer would be 4, of course, right? Because 4 times 2 is 8. So $2, write this on your paper, times 4 is $8. $8. Okay. Number 3, pause the video and try 3 and 4, and then turn it back on when you have the 2 answers. So $21 divided by $3 is 7, because 7 times 3 is 21. 3, I don't even know why we need the zeros on there. We can just go $3 times 7 is $21. We don't need those extra zeros on there. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. $8. How many groups of $4 are there in $8? There's 2 groups. And $4 times 2 is $8. There it is. Okay, now here's some word problems that is using money divided by money. Use my highlighter here. Carla bought tickets to a concert that cost $5 each. She spent $30. How many tickets did she buy? She spent $30 and she split that $30 up into $5 each. She would have bought 6 tickets because 6 times 5 is 30. 6 tickets. Easy, easy. Okay, pause the video, do number 6, then turn it back on for the answer. All right, so here we go. Andrew had to pay $1 for every hour he parked in a parking garage. The parking cost him $8. For how many hours did he park? Well, we're going to do $8 divided by $1 for every hour. That means he had to park he was parked for 8 hours. Woohoo! Okay, pause the video, do 7 and 8, then turn it back on for the solutions. Franklin bought, you should have already done this, Franklin bought some cards that cost $2 each. He spent $14. How many cards did he buy? We're taking his $14 and splitting it up, or dividing it, into $2 cards. That's supposed to be a dollar sign. And that equals 7 cards. Wait a minute. Okay, didn't mean to do that. Stop, stop, stop. I got to go back to my pencil there. Okay, ARDS, 7 cards. Okay. And then if in this next one, Stella bought cakes that cost $7 each. She spent $63. How many cakes did she buy? $63 divided by $7 is equal to 9 cakes. 9 cakes for $7 each. There it is. Hope you got them.